Hey guys, we just got in this Towee boat. We are going to be putting some aqua traction in some select few areas in this boat. Walking through this Towee boat, it is pretty cool, honestly. So what we'll be doing is putting some pads up here. This is a local guide that is on the river here up in Minnesota. So we'll be putting pads on the front, the back, and then we have a cooler that we'll be putting pads in as well. We're just going to fire up the digitizer. We're going to scan out these areas, front, back, and then we'll put the cooler in here to scan that all in one file. CAD it, add some custom designs, logos, etc. And then we'll be able then to cut it and install it. So we got all the areas scanned. We zoom into the front here. That's the front. I put the cooler top in there. And then we have the back deck. So save this now. I'll export it, start CADing it up. Alright, so on the Towee boat, we had our raw file here. You can see everything is all chopped up. We cleaned up all the files, then added seam lines in place, break up to make it fit better on the sheet. We added in some logos, and then our final approval is going to be this light outcome black. So just waiting on customer approval right now, and then we will start cutting this. We have our 3M tape primer. You can already see we already primed the front deck here, and so now we're just going to do the same thing with the back deck. Just take a paintbrush and just paint all the surfaces. So we're going to do this twice. We need to let it flash or dry on the surface, and then we'll be able to stick pads to it pretty easily. We have the patterns milled out and the logos. You can see they're pretty rough right now. Then over here we have our beveling bit. So it cleans it up a lot better. So we just have to go through and kind of pluck all the sharp points off. But other than that, it looks really good. So sick. Ready?